In this video, I'll show you how to replace the battery in a Volvo C70 key fob. It's a very easy process that can be done at home. All you'll need is a CR2032 battery and a small-sized Phillips head screwdriver. This is a number 0, I believe. Yep, number 0 Phillips head screwdriver. If you don't have something this size, I will just recommend this cheap set of screwdrivers that I personally use. You can find that a link in the description, and it'll take you over to Amazon where you can find these for just a couple bucks. And you can also in the description find a link to go over to Amazon and find these batteries for a great price as well. First step is to look down here on the bottom of the device. You can see there's that switch right there. Just push that down and remove the internal key. Now inside of this hole can be hard to see on camera, but the screw is directly inside of there. So you're just going to simply unscrew that screw and dump it out, set it to the side. From here, what I like to do is put the screwdriver in that hole and push it all the way in. And now using this as kind of some leverage, I'm just going to pull back on this little lip where the key was. So you can see I'm holding this back piece, or actually the front piece, in place, and I'm pulling off the back. There we go. We have access to the battery now. I'm just going to come over here and using the same tool, just going to gently pry the battery out. Now take your new CR2032 battery, and when you're putting it in, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it and all of this text is facing down. You'll just push that into place, make sure it snaps in there, positive side down, and now we can put it back together. So just set the battery, the back section, right on top of there. If your circuit board kind of is falling out from when you opened it, you're just going to try not to touch anything on the circuit board too much. Just gently set it into place. And now put the back right on top of there and squeeze. Make sure it is all connected and squeezed together. And now we're just going to drop the screw into this area here. Sometimes it kind of falls in there sideways, and you'll just have to adjust it and just give that a twist. And there you go. That's all it takes. You have a new battery in there that should last you for a long time, and you should be good to go. So I hope you liked this video. If you did, feel free to give us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key, you can remember this channel will have you covered with a tutorial just like this one. And you can also get this information and more at our website, FobBattery.com.